Morning YouTube, it's Southpoint Repointing again. Okay, we're doing 2 lintels today in Rustington, West Sussex. Here's one, which is completely shot. It's rusted all the way through, but to give you a better idea on what we're doing, we've got this one here. That's probably quadrupled in size. There's the original size here. And look at all that, which is causing all this lifting. Luckily it's a single leaf. But I mean, isn't that supposed to be galvanised steel? I know it's only a coating, but why is it still rusting? Aren't they supposed to still not rust? And it's bowed all the way along, look. It's lifting all the way through, so you can see the next door neighbours. They've had theirs done. Lucky them. But the 2 top ones look absolutely fine. They've obviously been done. This is a townhouse. You can't use that decking because it's rotten. Hence the scaffold. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. Fun and games.